Welcome to Real World AIP. I'm Stacy, and today I'm gonna make a Brussels sprout dip. Here's the thing. I bought these organic frozen Brussels sprouts. They were on sale, and I found out that I hate frozen Brussels sprouts. They're soft. You can roast these. You can do anything you want with them, and the texture's terrible. But I'm like, hey, okay, we've got some nutritious Brussels sprouts. They're just mushy, so let's just make them mushier and season it up and make something good. I'm just gonna stick them on a roasting pan, pop them in the toaster oven. This is exactly 1 pound. So let's just salt these up. Let's put a little bit of olive oil on there. Go ahead and pop them in the toaster oven at 450. And while that's in there roasting, I'm going to caramelize my onions and a little bit of refined coconut oil, or use bacon fat. Bacon fat would be absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it in this recipe. I have some coconut oil, so that's what I'm going to use. A tablespoon of refined coconut oil. I'm going to do like half of a red onion. Right about now, I'm also going to chop up some garlic cloves. These come in the little 1 ounce packets, and they're already peeled for my convenience. I just got an idea. I'm going to chop this garlic. I'm going to have it roast it right along with the Brussels sprouts. It's going to be really good. Way better than chopping it up. Oven roast this. Put it right in there. Like so. Just keep it going until everything's brown and toasted. Keep these going until they're caramelized. So I have my Ninja Bullet here. I'm just gonna, I had this giant lime. This is 4 giant lime wedges, or use 5 or 6 little lime wedges. And I'm just going to get all that lime juice into the bullet. To this bullet, I'm going to add those onions that I caramelized. A teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. And our Brussels sprouts, which the garlic isn't as roasted as I would like, because I should have put the garlic in right at the beginning, but I mean, garlic is garlic. It's going to be good roasted or not. Say that's about as full as I'd want it. Now I'm using the AIP coconut milk. This is an 8.5 ounce little box. I'm probably gonna use the whole thing. You know, here's the thing. This is half of the recipe in here, and then we have the other half of our Brussels sprouts and garlic still on the tray. But all of our salt and lemon juice and onions are in here. So we're gonna have to mix this blending up with that next blending to have the correctly seasoned dip. So I'm just gonna put it in a bowl that it'll all fit in so I can mix it up. So this is gonna be kind of like a spinach and artichoke dip. These 2 blended batches mixed up together so we can taste it and see if anything needs to be seasoned. I like this texture. This would be delicious with bacon bits in it. Oh. Damn. Whoa! Guess what? We don't even have to tweak this. Usually I have to tweak stuff, especially when I'm winging it and I have no recipe at all. This doesn't need to be tweaked. This is, for all intents and purposes, a spinach and artichoke dip minus the spinach and artichokes. It's Brussels sprouts and onions, and this is freaking delicious. I might keep buying those frozen Brussels sprouts just to make this. Good stuff. That was easy. Well, so let me know how you like this recipe, or if you made any tweaks to it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos. I post every Thursday. I also want to show you guys this cool thing I've been using it on Patreon. So you go to my Patreon page, right? I'll put the link in the description. Oh, I look terrible here. I should have made that one private. Anyway, you can see little clips from my day. This has little clips. This shows you that I passed my AIP exam.
My breadfruit. I think I'm just gonna pop
and then, you know, whatever, I was making breadfruit, making breadfruit. Here's how the breadfruit came out. Da 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 da. That's how that works. It's like Snapchat, but it's called Lens, and it's on Patreon, and I think it's really cool. Anyway, I'm always taking little videos, clips of my life and stuff I'm doing in the kitchen, so if these videos aren't enough, there's even more for you. Anyway, I hope to see you soon, and until then, be healthy and enjoy your dip.